How to delete your account from Messenger. Hey everyone, today we're going to see how you can easily delete your account on Messenger. First thing you have to do is basically go to messenger.com or Messenger application. Once you have the app open, you can basically tap on the mini icon at the bottom right corner. Then you'll find the settings. Go to settings, find your account center because that's where you control all of your account settings. So scroll down all the way until you find account center. Tap on see more in account center. Then once you land on the account center page, you have to scroll down and go to personal details right over here. Under personal detail, you have account ownership and control. So basically go ahead and tap on it. Now it will present you with two options. You have to select the second one, deactivation or deletion. And then from here, you can just select your Facebook account because your Messenger account is also connected with your Facebook. You're going to have to delete your entire Facebook account. So tap on Facebook. And there are two options. The first one is to temporarily deactivate your account. And the second one is permanent. So select the second option, tap on the radio box down below, and then tap on continue. What it's going to do is when you delete your account, your main profile and everything else you've added will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to retrieve anything that you've added and all of your additional profiles. Messenger, this is the important part. As you can see here, it includes Messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Now, once you tap on continue, as you can see, all of these pages on add profiles will also be deleted, and then I can just tap on continue again. Now it will ask you for a reason. I'm not going to select anything. I'll just tap on continue. Now before you delete your account, it's going to give you an option to deactivate it temporarily or save posts to your archives, download your information, and transfer a copy of your information. Now you can just tap on continue. And then finally, it will ask you for your account password for security reasons. Now you enter your password and then tap on continue. It's going to automatically delete all of your profile, including your messenger. Now, if you want to recover it, you still have 30 days. So if you log back in within 30 days, it's going to recover your account. But after that, everything is going to be lost and you won't be able to recover anything. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.